Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Joyce here again for you guys today. So today we're gonna do another tights try on, and this time we're gonna try on some tights from Gucci. Yes, we are. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you're notified the next time that I upload a video. And without any further ado, let's get into it. So I have my Gucci care package right here. So I was shopping online, picking up some new tights, and then I saw that Gucci obviously have their tights. Now I've seen them in their signature pattern, and I always felt like that was a little bit too like obnoxious for me because I'm really short, so I don't really have like the leg length to kind of pull it off. So when I was shopping online, I saw that they had the black Gucci tights and then they had the white ones. Can you guys guess which ones I picked up? Oh, they gave me like a Gucci gift bag. How fancy. You've got all of the envelopes that Gucci will give you with your receipt, I'm guessing. One of the envelopes is a gift message. The other envelope is a thank you card. And the other one, yeah, is the receipt and instructions and a return slip as well if you need to return it. Then, oh look. Oh, how cute. How adorable. Now, granted, I did select the gift wrapped option because it was free, so I was like, why not? But yeah, if you wanted to give somebody some really fancy dancy pair of pantyhose, they've got really nice gifting services, so that's awesome. Now I guess we're gonna have to pull the ribbon. Here we go. Here, let me show you. I picked up the white pair. I picked up the white pair because I was like, I don't know, I just want to try it out. I knew that if I picked up the black pair, I could make it work, you know, but I was like, let me just try something different. Let me just be challenged a little bit. So I picked up the white pair, and I know you guys love to see me try on white on my channel, so I figured it was about time that I did another try on with some white tights. And so today's will be courtesy of Gucci. Now here is the packaging. You've seen the decadence that is all of the gifting, so it's really great first impressions. Then here is the actual sort of inside itself. So I picked these up in a size medium, and these cost £85, I believe, which is, you know, pretty pricey for some tights, let me be honest. But this is them. They do smell like factory. I just kind of wish, right, if you're a designer brand like Gucci, you can afford to have your signature scent across all of your products, right? Your lipsticks, your t-shirts. I mean, not too much because not everybody would be into them, but just a light drizzle would be just so nice. These actually look more cream to me than they do white. Don't know if you guys can see that in the viewfinder. Like, my top at the moment is white, so the pantyhose are very much on the cream side, and they're pretty, oh, they feel really thick. So you won't be able to see the pattern right now, it's being washed out on screen, but you definitely can see the Gucci interlocking logo, and the pattern goes all the way through to the toes, so that's pretty nice. You can wear it with whatever shoes that you want. It doesn't have a gazette. Gucci out here shrimping on costs. But actually, to be honest, I don't mind if there isn't a gazette, because most of the time they don't really sit that well on me personally, so I'd rather just wear panties or underwear. Then you have the waistband. Ooh, there you go. It says Gucci all through it. It is a very stiff waistband, by the way. It doesn't look like it's going to be comfortable at all, and especially with the stitching at the back right here, I feel like that's might dig into me. Gucci, I don't know if I like that. There's no control top, as you guys can see, which I like, and they don't feel the softest, but like I said, they do feel really sturdy, and I feel like these are going to be quite warm against the skin. So let's go ahead and try these bad boys. Okay, Alrighty guys, so this is them on. They are actually super duper comfortable. As much as I was really dissing them for being a little bit stiff, a little bit resistant, they feel really good on the skin. So as you can see, it's not your typical nylon material. It is very much like, I don't know what you'd even call this, not stitched, maybe stitched, I don't know, but it's not your typical sort of like smooth nylon material. It's very much obviously kind of like stitched in with the logos, as you guys can see, the G's on the side all interlinking. They feel like your traditional old school tights, you know, the kind of ones that you'd wear for school, or if you needed to put on something nice and warm for the day. That's what these feel like. But not to like take away anything, they actually do feel really good. So here's the waistband that I was talking about, and actually I was very premature in saying that it was going to be uncomfortable, because it's not uncomfortable at all. I do wish it was just a little bit thicker so it wouldn't pinch too much here, but I kind of get it. It's just for the look, so that you've got a cinched waist. I get it. I like the fact that it doesn't have a gazette either, because if you were to take pictures, you wouldn't have to worry about that part being exposed, because it doesn't have one, so it wouldn't look awkward. All in all, I actually think these are some really nice tights. And there is the foot area. As you guys can see, it kind of, as you get closer to the bottom of the feet, the material does bunch up a little bit, so it doesn't look so sheer at the bottom, sort of in this area. It doesn't look too sheer, but you can see the logo quite nicely, so that's good if you wanted to wear some sandals and stuff outside, so you can show the logo off. The stitching I'm not a huge fan of. I wish it was just sort of like more elegantly done, so it just didn't protrude too much, but that might be for good reason. I would have to like wear them with some shoes to see if its thickness is for a good reason, but otherwise that's what it looks like on the toes. Alright, so I put the skirt on and I decided to pair the white tights today with an all white outfit. Now, to be fair, I'm not too sure how in love I am with the all white fit. I think it's cute, but I don't know if it works 100%, but you guys will have to let me know. Here is what that Gucci waistline is looking like, but it does look really nice. Because they do have the logo on them, you can make a statement with them if you really wanted to, but I also think you can downplay the look if you wanted to just be quite chilled and not do too much. I do think that the material of them is perfect, like absolutely perfect for chilling at home in. So if I can't wear these out, I'll definitely be wearing them at home. Not that you'd want to spend that much to just wear these tights at home, but they do feel really good, and they're really comfortable. They're not tight on the skin at all. They fit like a glove, and the size medium is perfect for me. Definitely would not go for a small. If you're my dimensions, get the medium, live your best life. So that's been the video of my white Gucci tights try on. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about them in the comment section below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next one.